Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Priya. It's all about art. So I have received many requests asking for a portrait detailed video. So today I have just thought to make one, which I usually do. You can find so many portrait painting videos in my channel, but I never did the voiceover. So here I am trying to just capture the depth in the portrait by adding brown shade first of all in the skin, and then I'm giving a base color of dark brown to the hairs as well. As you can see, I have given the details with dark brown color on top of the light brown, and now it's time to just color the dress of her. I'm trying to capture all the folds and the shine in her sari. So I'm using on and off water with in my strokes. So that is giving a lot of detail to the dress. Now it's time to add the background color. Background color always should complement to the front colors. So here I have chosen nice blue color, and I have tried to give a blooming effect. I hope you liked it. Let me know in comments. Please like, share and subscribe.